The RedMagic 11 is coming later this year, and China some details about it have been outed. The phone is going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset. It will boast an upgraded built-in cooling fan, which will allow it to have an IP68 dust and water resistance rating. The combination of an active fan and an IP rating was pioneered last month by the Oppo K13 Turbo and K13 Turbo Pro, but those two are only water resistant. The RedMagic 11 will be the first ever smartphone to have an active cooling fan as well as both water and dust resistance. While this information was leaked by Digital Chat Station on Weibo, RedMagic's general manager Jiang Chao has confirmed it, so it's official now. The RedMagic 11 features a 6.8-inch 1.5K 1216 by 2688 pixels BOEQ9 Plus AMOLED display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate. The handset is equipped with a 6500 mAh plus battery with 120W charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.